Hello and welcome to an original Retry This production. Today I'll be teaching you about the basic aspects of creating a button in GameMaker. By a button I mean something that looks pretty good that you can click on and it'll do something. So yeah, pretty good. So let's create a button first. This is the first time I'm actually creating a sprite in here in a tutorial. So let's create a button. I'm going to give it the same thing I did in my previous tutorial, 128 by 64, and I'm going to make it say the same thing, subscribe. I want my button to be black text. So let's create a button. Let's just design it really quick. I like snap ITC bolded, 14 is that good, 16. I'll make it red. So this is the same thing my previous button in my previous tutorial said, subscribe. That's it. Make it not transparent. But that's not all we're going to do. We're going to copy it. So press edit, copy, and then edit, paste. Now we're going to edit it. So this is what it'll look like basically. But when our mouse comes over it, we're going to change it up a little. So when our mouse touches it, I have white selected. The font is going to turn white. So when our mouse touches it, the font is going to turn white. Alright, looks good. So this is what it's going to look like basically. When our mouse touches it, this is what it's going to look like. I could create one for when we actually click on it. Yeah, why not? I'll make that the third image. So just move this. So you can also additionally make one for when your mouse clicks on it. I'll make it green just for time's sake. So this is the basic one. When our mouse isn't over it, when our mouse touches it, it'll turn white. When we click, it'll turn green. So that's basic button. Let's make it into an object. obj underscore button. And let's give it that sprite. Add an event, create event, execute code, really quick code, image underscore speed equals 0. This will make it frozen on the original one when it starts. So it'll be frozen on the red when it starts. So it's an add event, mouse event. Let's make a mouse enter event. And then what we can do, we have to do a change sprite. SPR underscore button. Let's just do a sub image 0. No, speed of 0. Sub image 1. Sub image 1. So when our mouse touches it, it'll turn white, like I said. Add an event, mouse sleeve. I would use code for this, but it's a lot easier just to do drag and drop. And I don't have to get messages about people messing up. So I got a change sprite in the button, speed of 0, sub image 0. Because when our mouse leaves it, or when our mouse isn't touching it, we want it to change back into this, the red version. So just add an event, mouse left pressed, change sprite again, button, sub image number 2, speed of 0. So when we click on it, it'll change into this, the green one. And also, let's make it add a function. Let's make it say, let's do a show message, just for the fun of it. Where's show message? Show message. Thank you for subscribing. Oh, I should have made it yellow like the YouTube one. That would have been smart. Oh well, one is cool. Add an event, mouse left released. And then we can just change it back to its original form. Sub image 0, a speed of 0. So this is a basic button. It has a basic function as well. Display a message function. So let me just show you what this would look like really quick. So let me just drag that back in there. I'll just put it in here because it looks cool in here. Okay, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what this looks like real quick. When I press it, when my mouse isn't touching the subscribe button, it's red. When my mouse touches it, it turns white. Pretty cool. And when I click on it, well, because the message box appears, it doesn't turn green, but whatever. It would work, but since I did a display message, it did this. My message box is cool. My message box is better than yours. But in any case, it does flash a little bit of green when it does flash green really quick, so, yeah. Well, this has been an original retry this production. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe.